Hare Krishna, all the yogis, welcome back to our fitness session today. Hope you're ready. So I want all of you to now switch on your camera so that I can see you all doing some wonderful asanas and bending yourself into different shapes today. So request all of you to now switch on your cameras. Can I have everybody's camera on so that we can enthusiastically start with the class? Okay, meanwhile, I wait for all of you to start your cameras. We're going to start the class today. It's going to be something really special. We're going to bend ourselves into different shapes of different alphabets, and it's a challenge for you today. So let's see how many of us are able to finish our A to Z challenge today. So we will begin typically like how we start in every yoga class. So let's begin. Most of you, I see you had joined yesterday and also have come today. So we have a password, as most of you already know by chanting some rounds of Omkar. And that's the password for our yoga class. So let's begin, everyone. And for that, we need to get ourselves to a specific pose called as Padmasana, the lotus pose. So let's sit on our mats. And let's come into Padmasana, keeping our back straight, sitting upright, sitting tall and nice. Let's take mudra with our hands. Look around who's there in the class. Have all your friends joined in? Nice. And now let's bring our wrist or this mudra on our knees. Roll the shoulders, bring them down. Relax completely. Release all the tension from your neck. If you're feeling tired, just nicely stretch again. And then down again, back to mudra. Relax your face, tap it nicely. And back to mudra. And let's chant 3 rounds of Omkar together. Close your eyes. And let's begin. And now rubbing the palms together nicely. Create some warmth in between your palms. Do you feel some heat here? Oh, it's so warm already outside and I'm making some more heat here. And let me absorb this. Okay, and let's begin. So today we're going to do something special. We're going to do A to Z alphabet yoga. Before that, we need to warm up our body. Good afternoon and good evening, everybody. You can all switch on your cameras. Most of you have done that. Okay, so we have to warm up the body so that we can beautifully get into different shapes of alphabets from A to Z. I hope you all are excited for it. I am super excited because I want to see the fun and magic of how my body gets into different letters today. Isn't that fun? So before that, I'm going to nicely warm up my body Can you all hear me? I'm somewhere I'm just getting lost in between today, I think. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. So let's start. We're going to start with a nice warrior series. And what we have to do in the warrior series? Wow, we have to fight. But do you know that yogis believe in a concept of non-violence? Do you know what does non-violence means? We also called in yoga language in our books as ahimsa, is not harming anybody, not by our words, not by our thoughts, and not by our action either. Then why are we doing warrior pose, which is so popular in yoga? So you see warriors. Can you all hear me? Some connectivity issues today, I guess. Okay, am I audible, everyone? Maybe whoever on the screen can just say thumbs up or maybe type quickly. Okay, I hope you can hear me because I'm losing some connectivity today in between. So I was talking about the warrior. Although in yoga, all the yogis follow non-violence. That is one of the rules that we follow. You all go to schools, right? And you have some rules and regulations set up by the school. So similarly, when yogis, they practice yoga, they also follow some rules in their life. And one of that is called ahimsa. So what are these warriors doing? We think that warriors are fighting, but actually they're also protecting us. They are doing everything for our safety. So that is the reason, with that mood of helping others and being strong, confident, and brave, we are going to warm up our bodies with a wonderful warrior sequence so that we can get into some different shapes today in the class. So to warm up, I want you all to come up in a standing pose nicely. So come on, let's start. Everybody coming up into a standing pose here. And on your mats. And now we're going to bring our hands together, bend down and jump. And we're going to start with a wonderful warrior sequence. Ready, everyone? Okay, let's start the easy warrior now. So you're going to bend your left leg in knee and look towards the left hand and balance here. And we're going to say all together now. Come on. I am brave. I am strong. And I am confident. Very nice. And now we're going to change the side and repeat the same thing. Straighten your left leg up. Now go change the side. Fold your right leg now. And let's repeat this loudly now. I am strong. I am brave. And I am confident. Very nice. Again, straighten. Let's go to the other side again for another warrior. And let's warm up the body nicely. Bring your palms together. Raise your arms up as if you're holding a sword in your hand. And let's hold this position. Very nice. And changing the side again. Okay, good job, everyone. And very nice. Let's go for another warrior now. Little more vigorous warrior. So now here, we're going to go to the left side, fold our left leg in knee. Yeah. And now we're going to go forward, forward down, forward, reach up. Reach up to the wall or anything in front of you. And bring your chest on your knee. Go forward. Very good. And relax. And changing to the other side now. Fold your leg in knee. Let's go forward.
Aarti Mataji, you're on mute.
Yeah, somehow it signed out again, so I was not able to unmute myself. Okay, superb. Can everybody hear me again? Some connectivity issues today.
Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. No worries.
Now, okay, cool. Okay, let's begin. Okay, see, so sometimes this can also happen to a warrior, but warrior does not lose the hope. We start again with our warrior series today. Okay, so you can, okay. Can you all see me now, Naman? Can you all see me now? No. Okay, just give me half a minute and let me sort this out. Meanwhile, I want you all to be in the warrior pose and do your favorite warrior action.
Yeah, we can see you. We can see you. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. Most of the kids are saying no. Okay,
Yeah, I don't know why.
Okay, so let's begin. If you all can see me, I'm going to start again quickly the warrior series. Now, let's start again and let's revise it. Jump. Now go to the left side. Bend your left leg in knee and stay here. And let's repeat this. Let's hold this for 5 seconds. Let's have this challenge. 5, 4, 3.
Yeah, Aarti Mataji, your video is frozen actually.
Okay. Mataji, give me half a minute. Let me change the connection if that is the case.
No worries.
Okay. Am I visible and audible now? Okay, let's begin. I'm hoping that I'm visible and audible. You can quickly type in the chat box if you can see me now. Okay, am I audible and visible now? I think I'm getting disappeared with my yoga practice today.
Yes, yes. Now it's perfect. Perfect.
Okay, let's
Thank God.
start. Okay, okay. Okay, kids. Again, let's get the warrior spirit. I know you're tired of being a warrior now, but we're quickly going to end this. Krishna Priya, so nice to see you again. I can also see you all properly. Okay, let's come on the mat. Everybody on the mat again. Today we're going to be the strongest warrior and the best warm-up doing it thrice. Now, how many of you remember the first warrior? Come on, let's revise. Does anyone remember the first warrior we did? Let's do it. Okay, very good. Okay, so we went like this and folded our legs, right? Okay, super. And then we're going to change the side and go on another side as a warrior. Very nice. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Don't give up. Very good. Now we're going to again change the side like before. Now we're going to join our hands together and raise our arms up. Hold this. Can you look up here? Can you look up at the fan or the ceiling or whatever is up? Let's look up. Okay, good job. Let's change the side again. Okay, superb. Look up, look up, look up. Okay, superb. And now we're going to again change the side and go forward now. Go forward, go forward. Look in the front. Strong and brave warriors, you're doing a good job. Now let's change the side again. Hold your leg and go forward. Look in the front now. Good job. And now the warrior wants to take a little rest. So what does he do? Keeping the legs apart, go down as much as you can. See how many of you can actually bring your head down. Try it. I know there's something going to happen here a lot, but remember we are strong and brave warriors. Let's try it. Not happening, never mind. Just going to try nicely and stretch. Oh, you guys are really doing good. I know some of you are doing somersault here. Okay, relax. Good job, everyone. And then we have a last flying warrior because now we're going to come back on our mats to practice some shapes yoga. So now we're going to go forward. Lift your leg up and hands down. Come on. Okay, very good. Let's change the side now. Hey, good job, everybody. Let's try this again on the another side. Lift your leg up. Okay, now let's have some fun. How many of you want to do a donkey jump from here now? Yes, and warm up the body. Ready for the donkey jump challenge? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. That it's really going to warm up the body so we can make nice shapes. Ready, everyone? Come on, I want to see all of you on the mat. Put your hands down and jump. Let me see your donkey jumps. Superb ways, very nice. Karuna, come on, let's do the donkey jumps. Rashmi, very good, little more. Durga, come on. Varsha, Aryan, you're doing amazing. And all of you whom I can't see, if you can put your videos on, I can also see your donkey jumps. Oh, superb. I am feeling energized. Are you also energized? Okay. Then now I'm going to quickly, I want all of you to come closer to the screen now. I'm going to share a picture with you. I will give you some time to observe that picture. What is that picture now? Okay. So now you all need to focus here. You need to calm down, come to the screen, keep quiet in silence with complete focus. You need to observe one picture. Okay, everyone? And what does the picture have now? It has the alphabets A to Z, and all those alphabets are in some different shapes with children like you doing some yoga. So you're going to observe that, and then I'm going to give you a challenge of performing any of those alphabets, and you have to do it, and we all will do it together. So try to observe as many alphabets as you can on the screen, and then we're going to make it on our mats. Okay, so I'm going to quickly share the screen with all of you. Hope you all are focused and ready to see it. Here I go. And here's the picture. So now I want all of you to see this picture properly. You have few seconds more. Try to absorb every shape nicely because we're going to bend our body this way. You have 15 seconds more. You can quickly again scan all the alphabets from A to Z. And of course, you can also innovate some shapes if you want to create the alphabets. You have last 5 seconds. Again, quickly scan the entire picture at once and see if you remember some alphabets already and if you feel ready to do this different shapes. Okay, now I'm going to stop it. Okay, so are you all ready now? Okay, so what we're going to do, oh, see, Rashmi is already in some alphabet and I will try to guess what alphabets you all are doing. So again, I request all of you to put your videos on. Okay, so how are you going to do it now? I'm going to play some music now. And as soon as the music stops, you have to freeze in the alphabet that I announce. So see, it's not going to be easy. I'm going to just say any alphabet and you have to be spontaneously ready and think about how can I get into that alphabet. Okay, ready everyone? If you're also in pair, if you're two of you, your siblings, or you have parents around with you, you can also create the shape of an alphabet along with them. Ready everyone? Okay, so now I want everybody on the yoga mat with great energy and enthusiasm. Very nice way, you're already jumping. So while the music is on, you can watch me and do some nice yoga warm-ups, or you can stand on the mat and do the dance of your choice. And as soon as the music stops, I'm going to announce the alphabet and we're going to do it. So let's get ready. I'm just going to quickly play the music over here. Let's start. Like yesterday, bunching. Very good. Let's make a yoga O. Very good, Wave. Very good, Varun. Oh. Okay, good, Rashmi. And both of you, you're doing really good. Good job. Okay. Very good, Durga. This is what I was expecting. Chakrasan. You all can go in Chakrasan. Very nice, Anandi. Superb. You all are doing really good. Very good, Varun. Superb. Okay, back on the mat. I want letter A. Yoga A. Very good, Ved. You're doing good job. Good job, Krishna Priya. Very nice. Varun, very good try. I know a few of you are not able to touch your head to the ground, but Varun, good idea. Varsha and brother sister, very good idea. You're doing amazing. Durga, come on, make an A. So let me show you easy A for those of you are struggling to do the A with the downward dog. Do you see this? The stand of my A. And look at this. So easy peasy A. Come on, all of you, come in this easy peasy A. So this 2 lines and then done. Easy. Okay, let's go ahead. Good job. Come back on the mat. Ready for the next alphabet? Yes. Which one do you want? Let's have your names. I can see K for Krishna Priya, V for Ved, M for Mokshit. Let's see what alphabet can we have. Marching again to the right and back. K. Very good, Ved. Good job. Mokshit, good job. Varun, really nice. Rashmi, Dhruv, Karuna, where is your K? Very good, Dhruvi. Very good, Durga. Awesome. Sneha, good try. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next one now. Jumping, jump. Now you have easy peasy. We have Varun, so we. Good. Varun is the first one to get into V. Rashmi, good idea. With the hand also you can make V. But I want some yoga pose, you see? Very good. So Varun is already in the double leg raise pose and he can do V. Mokshit is also raising the hands up like in Tadasana. Ved is also in double leg raise and hands up. Very good. Oh, perfect. Rashmi has an amazing idea. She has her legs apart. So see, I will show you the easy peasy V what Rashmi is doing. So all of us can do it. If you're confused how to do the shape of V, let's become V with yoga. So lie down on the mat, raise the legs up, and now split your legs apart. Simple, we are in a V. Superb, everyone. And come back. Okay, let's go for the next one now. Let's see what. Okay, I have already chosen the alphabet. Let's see what we can do with it. Oh, D. Dhruv is here. So D. Let's make D. Sure, Durga. At the end of the class, I will ask you to show us something. Oh, Mokshit, good try. Good, everyone. So which is the pose you're doing to get into D? You know, it's called standing forward bend, or in Sanskrit, we also call it as Pada Hastasana. So nicely, you're getting into the D shape, everyone. Very good. Oh, good idea, Varun. Varun is also doing the camel pose Ustrasana to get into the shape of D. Very good, everyone. Krishna, also very good idea. She's into Dhanurasana, the bow pose to come into the inverted D. Okay, Aryan, very good. Okay, good job. Okay, so let's go ahead now. What do we do now? Start. Side bend. Letter yoga F. F for father. Easy, Mokshit. Very good. Krishna Priya, very nice. You have cute little F standing here. Everybody remembers F, huh? So Karuna, I can't see. Oh, very good, Krishna. Anandi, very nice. Aryan, Durga, good. Cute little Fs are coming together. Bring your hands slightly away. Dhruvi, very good. And brother. Okay, superb. Let's go ahead. And now I want you to dance at your favorite, the way you want to dance. No rules. You can do any pose of your choice. Or maybe you can go for simple. Let's go to the next letter now. The next letter is letter C. Easy, right? Let's see how innovative you are. I want everybody to get into different poses for letter C. Very good way. Mokshit, oh, you're doing inverted C in a table pose. Ved is doing the variation of camel pose. This is not allowed. We have to get into some yoga pose. We're not doing the yoga with our fingers today. You have to make shapes with your whole body. No, cheating. Ved, really good. Krishna Priya, good job. Rashmi, very nice. Varun, very good. Krishna, very good. Karuna, Anandi, good. Dhruvi, did you do C? Sneha, very good. Aryan, very good. Durga's favorite pose is Bo Dhanurasan. Every alphabet she's in that. Good job, everybody. Okay, and now we're going to the next pose. Okay, ready, everyone? Next alphabet. Let's see which alphabet you want now. Let's see. Let me give you the tough one now. Really tough one. You wait. You have a tough challenge now after this. Let's begin. Let's do the twist now. S. Let's see. I want to see how you all make the shape S. S for sugar. Good job, Varun. So making the body sloppy, you want to this side and putting the hips forward and the legs back. Very good, Varun. Excellent S by Varun. Good job, everyone. You're trying your best. Very good, Anandi, Dhruvi. Good try. Aryan, I want to see your S. Very good. Okay, that's challenging, right? Okay, good try, everyone. Very good. Okay, let's go for the next few more alphabets, and then you have more tough challenge. You have to make a word. You have to make a full word with our body, and I'm going to give you that word. Let's see if you're able to do it. So first you practice with alphabets, and then I'm going to give you the words. Ready? Let's go for the next one. Come on. Every time you feel, I can see few of you doing this, but what do we do in yoga when we feel tired? How do we take rest? Yes, I can see few of you doing it, Varun. Very good. So what do? We take a deep breath inside and then we breathe out. So in yoga class, when we feel tired, we don't go like this on the mat or we don't lie down on the sofa. We sit quietly, right? Krishna is laughing. So we're not going to go like letter S. We have to be again a yogi after alphabets. And then we have to take a deep breath in. And when you feel very tired, you have to breathe out through your mouth. So let's do it before we go with a great energy for the next alphabet. Let's take a deep breath in through your nose. And now breathe out through your mouth as if you're whistling, but you don't have to whistle. Once more. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out through your mouth. Or I have one more idea, which works faster. You have to take a deep breath in. Imagine you all are a dragon now. We've been talking so much about warriors, so we have some dragon also in the yoga class today. And then we have to do a half breathing, as if the dragon is releasing the fire out from the mouth. Visualize yourself releasing the fire out. But what do we release? Instead of fire, we release our tiredness out. Let's do it once more. Breathe in, dragon, and breathe out. You're doing so nice. See, we feel so much lighter, better, and again energized for the next alphabet. Do you feel ready for the next one? Cool. Let me give you more tough now. Let's see if you're able to do it. Ready? No, you want easy. Okay, I will give you the easy one now. Let's start again. Okay, now what do? We do some forward fold. Left and right. Very nice. Good job. And now you make your alphabet X. Oh, I already showed you. Oh no, oh no. So now we're going to do the X for Christmas. Very good. That's easy. See, I give you the easy one. Like, so you know what pose do we do for X? This is called a star pose, was most of you are doing like this. This is a nice star pose. Very good job, everybody. Oh, Varun is being super creative and is making his arm strong. Varun is actually holding on his one arm like this. I don't have a wall here, but I'll try. So he's doing his X like this. Good job. And he has gone, fallen down. Take care. Okay, very good, everybody. Even Dhruvi tried some innovative X. Good job. Okay, let's go for another alphabet now. You're doing really good. Easy peasy X. Okay, the next one. Now we're going to do the forward fold, raising the arms up and down in our warm up. So let's come back on our mats. P. P for parrot. Oh, very nice. Good job, Krishnapriya. Mokshit, very good. Wait, where is your P? Okay, good. I like that. Very good, Varun. Rashmi, is that the P? Okay, good. Good. Oh, Dhruvi is innovatively doing tree pose. And she's making a P like this. Good job, Dhruvi. Very good. What an idea. See, we're in a tree pose and making the P with our legs. Very good. Very good, Sneha. Even Durga, very nice. So Durga, you don't have to join your legs in tree so that we have a space for the P here. Very good, everyone. Easy one. Now let me give you one tough. The next one. Okay. No, Krishnapriya doesn't want the tough one. But we are strong warriors. We did some nice warm-ups. Nicely, we were dancing like a warrior on the mat. So we are strong, right? We can go for the tough one now. Okay, then. Ready, everyone? Thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, let's go for the next. Which alphabet now? Do whatever you like to do. Oh, okay, let's go for W. I have a nice idea. Let's see how many of you can think about it. W. Very good, Rashmi. Think. And I'm going to show you if you're not able to do it. Don't worry. Yeah, it's tough. Come on, Krishnapriya, give it a try. And then I'm going to show you. Okay, so for those who are two of you, it's getting so easy to do W, right? So I'm going to quickly also show you how to do the W pose. Rashmi, very nice. Just because you have 4 hands, 2 people doing there, so it becomes easy. I'm going to show you easy peasy W. Come on. See? Yes, that's W. Now I can see all of you. Good job. Yes, Neha, what you don't know? Okay, very nice, Varun. Good try. Karuna, now you look like a W. Okay, let's go for 2-3 more alphabets and then we go for a full word. Right? Let's try for the full word. Okay, now we're going to do some nice rolls on the mat. Full energy. Krishna Priya. See, this is easy for you. Now you're happy? Okay, H is very easy, right? So something like this. Okay, let me see all the different H out there. Yes, very good. I know you will say you can't see me. Don't worry, I just have the electricity loss. It'll come back in 1 minute. Okay, I can wave again. That's your favorite pose looks like on the arms. Again, wonderful edge. Okay, can we go for the next alphabet? Although you can't see me, but you can still hear me, right? And that gives you a chance to do your favorite dance for this next music now, since you can't see me. Okay, let's start. Ah, here I come. Okay, get ready. Now we're going to do some squats in the music for the strong legs. Let's start. Okay, now I want the letter I. Easy peasy. Okay, good. So you just have to stand straight. But I want a steady and stable I. No moving at all. I'm going to count till 10. And I'm going to see how these eyes are stable. Okay? Let me see. 10. Stable eye. 9. 8. Come on, Karuna. Go on the mat and do I. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Good job. Stabilize. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Now let's do a word before we go and rest nicely into our magic carpet and relax and release all the tiredness out. Let's do a word. Okay, one by one. So what you will do is I'm going to give you the word. You take few seconds to quickly think about it, prepare for it. And the word that I want to give you, and one by one you're going to perform it, is the word hurry. What is spelling of hurry? H, not the hurry, but hurry, hurry bol hurry. So what is the spelling? H-A-R-I. Yes. So come on now. Not hair, Aryan. Not the hair. Hurry, H-A-R-I, not H-A-I-R. So now you're going to make the shape of your body into H first. Come on, let's all together, all of us be in H. Very good, everyone. Okay. H. Okay. And now we go into the next word. A. Let me see everybody in A. Very good, Mokshit. Ved, very nice. Krishna Priya, good idea. Rashmi, Varun. Oh, Karuna has a jumping A, huh? Very good, Krishna, Sneha. Okay. Aryan, Durga, Dhruvi, very good. Now we go into R. Whoa, did we do R already? That's tough, right? Very good, Durga. So you have to bring your one leg forward and bring your another hand. So I'm going to show R. Very good, everybody. And now we will be doing I. We already know it's an easy I. And we complete the word hurry. Very good. Good job. Let's clap for everybody, each other, and for ourselves for doing wonderful alphabet yoga. And now at the end, you have a chance to do your favorite alphabet. And let me see if I can guess it. So Krishna Priya is in K. Am I right? Ved is that F? No. L? No. Then you have to type it for me if I'm not able to get. Mokshit is in C or O? Do it again. Oh, M. Good job. Mokshit. M for Mokshit. Perfect. Okay. Yes, Krishna, I'm coming to you. Okay. Varun. Varun is in Z, is it? Yeah, I guessed it right. Krishna. Krishna, you are in also Z, is it? Yes. See, you're doing such an amazing job. I can guess you. Sneha is wonderfully doing T, is it? Ah, nice. What is Durga doing? Durga, are you in U? Yes. What is Aryan doing? Aryan is hiding his face, is what I can see. Let me guess the alphabet. Are you doing R? Yes. Anandi. Dhruvi is doing V. Yes. Okay, that's it. What I can see on the screen here, a few of you doing amazing. Rashmi, what is Rashmi doing? Are you doing B? Yes. Wow. See, it's not that I'm guessing right. I look like a ghost with no lights here. Okay, I'm back. So we have, it's not that I am guessing it rightly, but I can see how wonderfully you are very accurately doing all the yoga alphabets in such a short time. You're learning so fast. So you see how our body can move into different shapes and also alphabets. Wasn't that amazing experience for all of you? And when you move your body in different shapes and in different ways, that keeps all our body parts, organs, muscles, and joints very healthy. And the blood flows to the different parts, and then we do not have any ache and pain that we have by sitting in the school on the desktop, by writing, by doing any job. Our body strength really improves. So this is a nice chance that you should be doing such things in yoga. Okay, Durga has been insisting a lot on showing something. So let's support our friend and let's see what she has to show. So Durga, where is Durga? Okay, Durga is here. So you all can watch Durga. Maybe we can spotlight her quickly. Oh, she's already on spotlight. So let's. Oh, that's a letter or just a pose? So you know what pose she's showing us? This is called as Padangushtasana. See how nicely we are stretching the leg with our hands. Wonderful, Durga. You've been doing yoga regularly? So you have a flexible body. You must do yoga or some exercise regularly.
I have classes of yoga in my school. That's right.
Good, I can see that, the way your body is moving. Okay, good. Okay, so now, you know what is the best part about yoga class? Once we do a lot of yoga, we also have a chance to again lie down and relax so that we can release all the tiredness out. This is the best part about yoga. After moving a lot, yoga gives us chance to relax, right? So, how many of you want to go on a nice ride? Without mask, without sanitizer, without vehicle, without anything. We're just going to lie on our mat and go to our favorite place, right? So all of you now lie down. We have few minutes left, so let's not get delayed for our ride. So lie down on your mat in Shavasana. Now you don't need to see me or the screen. I want you all away from the screen as far as you can hear me. And Shavasana, you're like a letter A. Now you know how I can talk to you about the asanas. In letter A, our legs are apart, right? Or letter V. So making a V with your legs now. How will you make V with your legs on the mat, but not off the mat? Yes. So that's how we do Shavasana. You have to bring your arms away from the body with palms facing up towards your ceiling. Now close your eyes, everyone. Not looking at the screen anymore. I'm still here. I'm going to be here till you wake up. Don't worry. Let's see how many of you can nicely close your eyes. Everybody on the mat with eyes closed. Okay, now I'm going to take you to a nice magic right now. Imagine that wherever you're lying down now on the carpet or your yoga mat is magical. Wow. And it's going to take you wherever you want. So let's imagine this now, that your carpet, your mat now lifts up. And it's coming off the floor and slowly floating towards your window. And now slowly your mat, your carpet goes out of the window and it floats higher and higher above the trees around your house. You can see some birds chirping your house from above. And now you go more up and you're next to the nice soft billowy clouds. And now you ask your mat and your carpet to take you to your favorite place. And now slowly as you fly in the sky, you have a nice cool air touching your skin. You feel so nice and relaxed. Your whole body cools down as you fly on your magical mat. And now you're about to reach to your favorite place that you have visualized. Now slowly your mat lands down on your favorite place. Now you get off from your mat and start walking and enjoying and seeing your favorite place. And now try to see what all you can see, what all you can visualize. Can you smell something on your favorite place? Can you see something? Can you hear something? How do you feel? Do you feel happy and joyful to be there? Very nice. You're still hanging around to your favorite destination and place. You're still lying down in Shavasana. And now slowly our mat is ready to pick us up so that we can come back home. Not yet, but we still have some time left. So now again, we sit on our mat. It lifts up. We feel so happy and joyful because we went to the favorite place that we wanted to. We have been dreaming of to go. We had a great time there. We had so much of fun. So now after all this beautiful time, the mat now lifts up. Again, we see all the billowy and soft clouds around us. And then we slowly come back to the place where we started our ride. It can be on the floor. Now see the surroundings where you started your journey. And now slowly I want you all to stretch your arms up, up, up. Stretch your legs. and you're a little tired from the journey that you just made, and you're so happy and relaxed. And come up into a sitting pose. Very nice. And now we have few minutes quickly. If anybody wants to share, you can type or you can unmute and share whatever is good. Yes, Aryan, I see your hand. So please
Yes,
tell me when.
Mataji. Yes. Today I mean in our from with the carpet I went in Vrindavan. In Vrindavan I saw Baki Vihari in all the places. I went in Yamuna and all the places. After Vrindavan I went to Pandharpur. There I saw Vithal and all the places. From then I went to Mayapur. I saw the TOVP, and from Mayapur I went to Jagannath Puri. In Jagannath Puri I saw Lord Jagannath coming out from his rath to go in Gundicha temple. I saw him and then I came home.
Wow, see, do you see the benefit of traveling on a yoga mat? No money required, no bookings required, no mask required, no rules, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Aryan, thank you. Did you also go yesterday to the same places?
No, yes, yesterday I went in Vrindavan, Jagannath Puri and Mayapur, not to
Pandharpur was new today. Yes, I remember that. You sharing. Okay, thank you, Aryan. Rashmi, where did you go? Rashmi, do you want to share? Okay, Mokshit says he visited Dubai and all the places in Dubai. Okay, thank you. Durga, where did you go? Durga must have not gone anywhere because she was typing throughout the Shavasana something.
I think Rashmi wants to share.
Yeah, Rashmi, yes. Rashmi, I can't hear you. Have you unmuted yourself?
I went to my school after Corona.
Oh yeah, I'm sure you must be missing the offline teachers, right? To really see the classroom, meet your friends. That's a difficult time for all of us. So I hope and pray that quickly everything gets fine and your dream becomes true and we all get back to the school with our friends and teachers. Thank you for sharing. Durga. Durga, you can unmute yourself and then.
Miss, we have paid a letter, so we just wanted to show.
Okay, but you never went on any travel, right?
We went
When?
before Corona.
Okay. Yeah. So you want to show what? Letter A?
Yes.
So before that, I will quickly ask for those who want to share where did they go, and maybe in the end, we can see the letter A. Is that okay? So anybody else wants to share with us where did you go? Yes, Ved, you can raise your hand. You're raising the hand off on the screen, so no problem. So Ved, you can unmute yourself if that is, or maybe I can also help you doing it. Yes, Ved.
I went to Legoland.
What did you do there?
I went in some rides.
Okay, superb. Okay, yes, thank you, Ved. Krishna Priya, you want to share something? You have to unmute yourself, Krishna Priya.
I was a harrier and I went into a volcano.
You always go to volcano in every class. I remember that, right? Last time also you went to volcano. You are very adventurous warrior. You want to go to volcano, and what do you do when you go to volcano? Do you just see it, or you prevent something? You stop it? You enjoy it? What do you do when you go to volcano?
I enter the volcano.
Oh, she's a strong warrior. You see. Okay, good. Thank you for sharing. Anybody else wants to quickly share? Where did they go in their yoga trip? Yes, Rashmi Tiwari and Sister Vishaka wants to say something.
And
Yes,
sister what?
Yes,
Batao.
please tell us.
Vrindavan. Vrindavan.
Vrindavan. Good. Okay. Thank you for sharing. Okay. Anybody else wants to share? Okay. Then we can have, if there's nobody else wants to share, we'll have, okay. Ved, I think you already shared something, right? Yes, Varun.
Miss, I went to my I went to my other house. Means in Raipur, I went and I met my grandparents.
Okay, good.
And miss, we did we miss we went in our farmhouse and we made too much of mischief, and then I came home again.
Okay, superb. Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. So maybe Durga wanted to show something quickly. Durga, if you can show us something she wanted to show letter A to us. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we can see you. Okay, so see, that's how you can work with alphabets nicely and easily when you are in pair. So next time when we do some yoga like this, you try to get your parent or friends and see. Thank you, Durga. We can make more alphabets and words in groups. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for your enthusiastic participation.
Amazing, amazing, Aarti Mataji. Thank you so much. I'm
Yes.
sure all of you had a lovely, lovely time. So now I'm going to unmute all of you all together. And I want you all to say something really loudly, all right? And that's going to be the letter which Aarti Mataji taught you, the different alphabets that you all made of a word. Which word was it which you all made? Okay, that you'll have to speak really loudly. All right, let's see if I'll get it. I'm going to unmute all of y'all. 1, 2, and 3.
Hari,
Yes, amazing. Louder, louder. That was absolutely great. Thank you so much, Aarti Mataji. That was a lovely class. That was lovely. Thank you, children. See you all next weekend for another fun weekend, which we shall announce soon. Take care. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.